Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how you can create a clan in StumbleGuys. The easiest way to create a clan in StumbleGuys is by creating a Discord channel and also looking through games and contacting people to see if they're good enough to join your clan. A disclaimer, there isn't an actual clan system within StumbleGuys. You have to do it manually. So what's going to happen is you're going to download Discord, your place to hang out, and your place to download for Windows. I've already got it downloaded. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to open Discord and I'm going to create my own Discord server. Press plus, press create my own, press for me and my friends, name it to whatever you want, which is could be your clan name or just your name in general. And then what's going to happen is you're going to create some requirements that you need a specific or a name of crowns, etc. And then you can change your name to whatever name you want, but before you put in your clan name. So I can put HTI, how to internet, and then my name, Divin, and then so on, so forth. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.